Good morning, everyone. Hope all of you are safe and healthy. Today, we are going to revise the chapter The Northern Plains. The northern plains of India are one of the largest expanse of rich fertile land in the world. It is the low-lying flat and fertile plains made up of alluvium brought by the rivers. These are also known as Indo-Gangetic plains, because these are formed by two great river systems, that is Indus and Ganga Brahmaputra river system. These rivers and their tributaries waters the northern plains. Many small rivers join the big river to make it more bigger. These small rivers are called tributaries. An area of land which is watered by a river is called river basin. The northern fertile plains are made up of three river basins. They are the Satluj basin, the Ganga basin and the Brahmaputra basin. In Ganga basin, northern plains stretch from Punjab in the west to Assam in the northeast. Punjab, Haryana, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal and other parts of Tripura and Assam lie in the northern fertile plains. These states are also known as food bowl of India because these are the major producers of wheat and rice. Agriculture is most important common occupation for the people of these regions. Now the Satluj Basin. Satluj River is a tributary of Indus River. These are the other tributaries are Beas, Chenab, Ravi and Jhelum. Satluj River waters the states of Haryana and Punjab and then joins the Indus River. The Indus flows through Jammu Kashmir and falls into the Arabian Sea. The famous Bhakra Nangal Dam is on Satluj River. It provides electricity and water for irrigation to Punjab and Haryana. Now the Ganga Basin. The Ganga River flows through Uttar Pradesh. It is joined by many tributaries like Yamuna, Ghagra, Kosi and Gandak. Some other tributaries also start in the Deccan Plateau and flows to join the river Ganga. Those are Chambal, Betwa and San. The Ganga flows eastward and falls into the Bay of Bengal. Brahmaputra Basin. Brahmaputra River originates in Tibet where it is called Sangpo. When it flows through Assam Valley, it is known as Brahmaputra. It flows into Bangladesh and then joins Ganga. Then it is called Padma. It is the widest river in India. The place where river joins a sea is known as its mouth, and river carry a lot of silt which get deposited at the mouth of the river. This forms a triangular shaped island. This island is called delta. The delta formed by at the mouth of river Ganga and Brahmaputra is called Sundarban Delta. Why it is called Sundarban Delta? Because Sundari tree is grown here. It is the largest delta in the world. It covers a space of 75,000 square kilometers and it is famous for Royal Bengal tigers. Now, how is the climate of northern fertile plains? The northern plains have extreme climate. Extreme means very hot in summer and very cold in winter. They get heavy rainfall in the monsoon months of July and August. A few spells of rain also experienced during the winter season. Winter season में भी थोड़ी थोड़ी रेन होती है. Now occupation क्या है, यहाँ के लोग क्या काम करते हैं, लिविंग को अर्न करने के लिए वो क्या वर्क करते हैं. The land of these plains is very fertile, so the main occupation of the people here is farming. Most of India's wheat and rice is grown here, so these are called the food bowl of India. Besides farming, many industries like textile, paper, sugar, sports, leather, iron and steel, jute mills, etc. are also a source of income for the people of this region. Cattle rearing and dairy farming are also popular occupation. ऐसा भी पूछा जा सकता है in question. Name two popular occupations of northern fertile plains. So you will write dairy farming and cattle rearing. If it is asked the main occupation of the people of northern plains, that is farming. Farming is the main occupation, while popular occupations are cattle rearing and dairy farming. Now let's recall in points. The northern fertile plains are also called Indo-Gangetic plains. The northern plains extend from Punjab in the west to Assam in northeast. The area of land watered by the river is called river basin. There are three river basins: Ganga basin, Satluj basin and Brahmaputra basin. Small rivers that join a big river are called tributaries. The alluvium carried down by the rivers from high mountains make the soil very fertile. The silt which is deposited in a triangular shaped island at the mouth of the river is called delta. The northern fertile plains have an extreme type of climate. Most of wheat and rice of India is grown in northern fertile plains, so these are called the food bowl of India. Let's discuss MCQs, exercise, etc. The northern fertile plains of India lies to the south of Himalayas. Agriculture is the main occupation of the people in the region of northern plains. Satluj is the tributary of Indus River. River basin that forms the northern plains are Ganga basin, Satluj basin and Brahmaputra basin. Famous Bhakra Nangal Dam is built on river Satluj. Now true false. The Indus River flows through the state of Uttar Pradesh. Yes. The northern fertile plains have extreme type of climate. True. The Indira Gandhi Canal provides water to Gujarat. No, it provides water to Rajasthan. The Brahmaputra river falls into Arabian Sea. No, it doesn't fall into Arabian Sea. Now, we will discuss one word questions. The main occupation of the people of northern fertile plains is farming or agriculture. The famous dam built on Satluj river is Bhakra Nangal Dam. Widest river is Brahmaputra. The delta formed at the mouth of Ganga and Brahmaputra is Sundarban deltas. The name of Brahmaputra river in Tibet is Sangpo. Thank you everyone. This was all in this chapter.